What's going on, guys? So let's take a quick look at Ocgn. Good little stock here. We had some very aggressive order flow coming through the live options feed yesterday. And some of the calls that were coming in was $12 strikes. I believe there was some 15s in there. And then the stock, absolutely exploded, hit highs all the way up here at 1332. So congratulations to everybody who caught that. So just taking a look going forward, anytime we see this long topping tail like this is never really a good sign. Whatever the reason is that the stock ran up, whether it be the option flow, news, the stock did what it did. Okay. I'm not here to try to dissect as to why these stocks make a move, but if we can just go back here all the way to July, August, September, October, we've been trading in this tight range from a range of about $8 to a low of about $6.50. Kind of been consolidating sideways here. We really needed to get over these two tails here to kind of, give it a little bit of light. That price was about $8.75, $9. We did make this first initial push up here on the 12th, 13th, as well as the 14th. A little bit of a 3-day run up here, touching highs of $10.60. Then we had this aggressive pullback here into the 5-day moving average, and then rested kind of on this 10-day moving average here. But those aggressive call buying. So if any of you guys do not have a live option scanner, regardless if you even play options, I would highly recommend to, invest in a service. There's a ton of different companies out there. Just Google them for a live option scanner. Typically speaking, when you get this large out of the money, aggressive near-term expiration flow coming through, generally is followed by a nice pickup on the stock here. So you can see, if I just pretty much go to the hourly time frame here to give us kind of a little bit of a clear picture here. So Monday we had this big pop here. This is when all of the aggressive option flow was coming in. Just pretty much rode this 5 EMA on the, or 5 SMA on the 1 hour time frame up all the way to highs of 12.95. And then today got this initial spike higher, kind of confirmed this price action here of $13, hit a high of 13.23, and then immediately had an aggressive pullback 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours here, pretty aggressively. After hours is trading a little bit up at 972. So where do we go from here? Where we go from here is, I like if we can kind of consolidate and hang out over this 50-day moving average here on the 1 hour time frame. That price is going to be about $9.35. So it gave up a good portion, 80%, 90% of this entire run up move here from the $9, $9 breakout up to this 13.23. Kind of aggressively pulled all the way back in. 5-day moving average here on the 1 hour time frame is going to rest at 950. So let's see what we do here. We have a little bit of a bounce here after hours off of this 5-day moving average. I would like to for sure stay over this $9.34. So if I just get the bigger macro picture here, I want to kind of show you guys here closely so you can see these technical levels here. So big run up here, and then we came all the way down, busted through the blue and the green line. This is a 5 and 10-day moving average, and touched the 20-day moving average to a T. Okay, this is on the daily chart. We touched it to a T, and as soon as we touched it, we immediately bounced off of it. So this is going to act as a strong level of support. This is where the breakout originally happened from. You can see as soon as we crossed over this 20-day moving average here, we had this big spike up, and we had this big run up here. So we're going to need a few more days of data here. What I would like to see is a little bit of consolidation, a little bit of sideways action here. I do not want to close below $8.31 though. If we close below $8.31, we're all the way back at ground zero here. So that's the main thing. As long as we can stay over this $8.31 on the daily close, I think is good. Good area of opportunity to maybe bounce this stock for a second push higher. Price target would be $10 even. So we are a little bit close to that right now after hours. And obviously anything over this 1063 could potentially test this 1326 run up here. Just keep that in mind. We do have earnings on November the 15th. So could we get possibly some sideways consolidation here and then another ramp up higher into earnings? Just be careful of this date here for any unexpected news. We don't want any drastic pullbacks or you know, depending on which way you're trading the market. But just keep that in mind. You know, you kind of want to let this thing play out a little bit. I don't really see anything too much here. Generally speaking, anytime we have a big run up like that, I do not like to see this drastic of a pullback. I like to see maybe a 30 to 50% retracement on the hourly time frame. That would have correlated here at the 20. That price would have put us at 1027. We lost this area and currently trading below. I don't like necessarily such a big drastic pullback here, but just keep it on your watch list. Those are some of the levels to keep looking for. Also, guys, do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe on this video. Also share it with your friends. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so my channel can get monetized. I can try to start reaching more people. For sure, hit the like button. That would definitely help out a small channel like my channel to try to get out there more so more people can find my videos. That would do me a tremendous favor. But until next time, guys, I will see you guys all in the next video.